Reading a book. Because you know what, students, parents, one thing that I've learned is books, the books that we read, the TV series that we watch, the movies that we watch, and the music that we listen to, all these things are our associations. And our associations determine how we live our life. Will we have celebration in our life? Or will we end up having frustrations? It's all about associations. The friends you know it. You shouldn't be talking to that person, you shouldn't be associated, and yet you're associated. And you know what kind of movies you're watching, and you shouldn't be watching those movies, you shouldn't be reading those books. It's not helpful to you now and in the long run. Maybe now it gives you a little bit of dopamine release, and you feel good about it and you feel happy about it. But in the long run, there's no fun. And when you choose your associations carefully, your friends carefully, and if you don't have those friends who are very positive and all that, you can always read books and you can always choose to watch documentaries and all that, because it's very simple. You see, when you choose a path of success, it's usually a very lonely path, because most of them are busy in the sidelines, and you have chosen to do exceptionally well, and only 1 to 3% of the population does exceptionally well. So you will have to make a very tough and a conscious decision of staying away from those, the majority of the people who are not supporting you, maybe knowingly and unknowingly not supporting you in the long run. So choose your associations wisely. That's the lesson today. Make sure that you spend time wisely, watch the movies that would help you grow, read the books that would help you grow, because your associations can cause frustrations or celebrations. It's your choice. This is Fuel for Success, a platform where we share ideas and strategies that would help you become successful. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Insta. We're creating some new content on Insta to connect with the Insta audience. And do sign up for my masterclass if you haven't already. I'm sure it's going to help you. It's very simple. It's your life. If you're watching this video and if you have come so far, you are a different person. You could have watched anything on YouTube, isn't it? I could have read any book. Of course, it's my book, but then my library, where I have more than 1,500 books, all my books are related to success and growth and achievement and all that. So we make our choices. And if you have watched this video and if you're following, videos like these, pat your back. You have it in you. But yes, just having it in you isn't enough. That needs to be fueled properly, that needs to be streamlined, that needs to be put into processes and systems. Only then you would be able to channelize it in the right way to become successful. Just having it isn't enough. Watch the video Smartness Can Fail You so that you understand this thing better. But right now, choose our associations wisely. This is MD Ahmed. I'll see you in another video.